Many people spend a lot of time deliberating over whether to invest in index funds or whether to invest in ETFs. So, for example, one might consider putting money into the Vanguard FTSE 100 index. This particular one is an accumulating index fund, or an equivalent accumulating Vanguard FTSE 100 ETF. Okay, so the main points of interest regarding index funds are the fact that they're bought and sold at the end of a trading day, and the price of them is calculated by this thing known as the net asset value, or NAV. Index funds are also passively managed, which is a key factor regarding them, and they're also a lot less liquid than ETFs because they can only be bought and sold at the end of a trading day, whereas ETFs they trade much more like normal stocks. So let's just go and look at this index fund here over on HL, and if you scroll down you can see that there is a valuation point, and that valuation point for this fund is 4:30 p.m. and that is basically when the net asset value that the fund trades at is actually calculated. ETFs, on the other hand, they are traded like conventional stocks, so their price fluctuates throughout the trading day. They can be passive, like an index fund, or they can be actively managed. And because of the fact they can be traded throughout the day, they are, of course, much more liquid than an index fund. A very common ETF that is always shown and is very popular is the VUAG fund from Vanguard, which is an S&P 500 ETF fund. This one is an accumulating fund, which means that investors do not get paid the dividend. It's simply all the dividends are reinvested into the ETF itself. Of course, many people want to know which is better, the index fund or the ETF, and it depends really. If you're looking to sort of set and forget, as they say, and you've got a very long investment horizon, then the index fund is probably what most people would go for. But if you want a slightly more liquid investment, then the ETF is the better choice, as you can extract the cash from that during the trading hours of the market.